world.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video, and in this video I'm going to show you that how can you draw and draw Waterdrop on Adobe Illustrator. So let's start. First of all, you have to take an ellipse and make a circle with Alt key button and Shift key button. After making an ellipse, you have to take direct selection tool and select this point and with Shift and up arrow key you have to move it upward. So now you have to do is select this point, and with this handle you have to make the shape of the half water drop. Okay, so this is the shape of a half water drop. So now what you have to do is to take a rectangle and to make it on the center of the circle. And now we have to select the two shapes, all the two shapes, Control A with the Control A, and now we have to press Shift M to take shape builder, and with Alt key we have to minus this shape like this. Now we have to take selection tool and we have to make a copy, Control C, Control V. We have to copy and rotate it like vertically. We have to reflect it vertically, not to rotate it, and the rotation is 90 degree. Okay, then we have to intersect this both. We have to do it very carefully, the intersection. Select both and go to stroke and align stroke to inside. Now after align stroke to inside, what we have to do is intersect the both like this. We have to select the shape, and with Shift and M, these are the shortcut keys. With these we have to do this. Now the water drop has made. What we have to do is to edit this point with direct selection. Like this. I'll also do this 4 times and this 4 times. I'm doing this with the arrow keys, okay? So now the time is to change the color and the stroke. What we have to do is to color it blue, or we have to select it. It's looking good. I'm also giving it blue. I just copied this color to stroke, fill to stroke, and like this. Now the stroke will be the round cap, okay, and the weight of the stroke will be, I think, 20, okay, like this. So the water drop has made by us, okay, so we have drawn the water drop. So let me know how's this and try this, and for further videos do subscribe and like the video.